Yo, welcome to Eats and Beats, where two DJs drive the best food in the city.
And today we're here at the Fishman Lobster Clubhouse. It's their grand reopening. What's a better way to celebrate this? It's my guy's stranger's birthday. We're gonna go in and have some steaks, lobsters, fill our belly up. Oh, this is so Hong Kong, bro. This is so home. This place is no fuck around. Look at all those fish tanks over there.
𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗦𝗡 提供音. This is their seafood a la carte menu.
You cook in different styles too.
Yeah.
My favorite is this one. 北风筒 Hong Kong style. It's kind of spicy, crispy.
That's the classic. We gotta get that one for sure. Because it's birthday, I wanna get 𝗙𝗛𝗙𝗏.
Yeah, 𝗙𝗛𝗙𝗏 noodles.
You gotta have that.
Longevity in life.
On a birthday, a Chinese person, they have to have 𝗙𝗛𝗙 noodles because it means longevity.
我哋諗要嗰個套餐，跟住加2磅龍蝦伊麵。OK，
你有2磅蝦㗎嚇？
我哋唔會 exactly 2磅啦，咁我哋你可以見到我哋最尾就
A sister restaurant called Jumbo Lobster Clubhouse. It's actually a bit cheaper than here, but it's the similar menu. I don't want it to over.
No, we don't.
Next time I'll teach you how to spray champagne.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Birthday, man.
No, purple?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then let's
Yo!
It's on.
Look at this. Big,
Check this big boy out.
big lobsters.
Yeah, here we go.
Big lobsters. They're still moving. They're still moving.
All right, we're gonna feast tonight.
We're gonna feast tonight. Probably should wash my hands now.
Yeah. 要洗手㗎。
Here's the left.
16-ounce steak, and it comes medium rare. So what happens is there's heat underneath to heat it. So if you like it a little more cooked, you just leave it on the plate. It's gonna cook a little more.
I personally like it medium rare. Medium rare.
I'm a medium guy, so.
Let's have a toast then, shall we?
All right, let's have a toast. Guys, I just want to thank you for coming to celebrate my birthday. It means a lot to have some friends here to celebrate, so thank you.
Lost it. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, you go out, go. Just take one here.
Oh my god.
Perfectly cooked, nice and red in the middle.
The oldest person to the youngest. That's the proper tradition.
Okay. What are you trying for it? That's well. Man. How's it? Better than the cake?
100%. It's cooked perfectly. It cuts through right away. The reason I like my steak a little bit raw is sometimes when you overdo it, a lot of times, it gets chewy, right?
I have to say, this is probably the best steak I've had in a while. I didn't expect to have a steak this good in a lobster restaurant. And I can see now why they introduced this to their menu. It's super juicy and tender. Wow.
This is the best beer on earth, mate. Best beer, man.
So this is classic Chinese beer, 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗦. Tell them why you think it's the best beer in the world.
I'm biased. Just every time I smell this beer, there's something when you drink it, and after you have you've found a couple, the smell that comes out from the person, the scent, just reminds me of home.
Where?
Like home, yeah, exactly. Some chicken soup today, with some dates, and look at the chicken. You might notice the color is a bit off. It's not like Loblaws chicken. It's black chicken. Look at the soup. Just look at that. How beautiful that.
It looks rich.
Yeah.
The lobster 𝗙𝗛𝗙 noodle has arrived.
That's the big man thing of the table, man. Holy.
Yeah.
When they're dying.
Yeah.
And here is the fish. Steam base is coming.
Bass.
Steam bass. Here's
Sea bass.
Sea bass. Steam with, I think with green onion.
Yeah.
Wow.
Red and tender.
So this is So this is a steamed sea bass. Steaming fish is a very traditional way, especially in Hong Kong, of cooking a fish. I know you guys white Westerners like deep frying it, you know, filleting it, all that fancy stuff. But like we like to do is we steam it, top it with some scallions, ginger, cilantro, and we have a special kind of like soy sauce that's special for the fish.
The thing about 𝗏𝗘 noodles and how it's prepared is first deep fried first, right? Like the dough is deep fried and then it's cooked again to mac.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, that's how most instant noodles are made.
Yeah.
Oh, this is really good.
The noodles is very flavorful with that lobster sauce.
𝗙𝗘𝗘𝗦. Look at this one. Deep fried.
Thank you.
Garlic.
So that's this is the signature style Hong Kong deep fried lobster. It's served with fries. All right, let's try this deep fried lobster. Wow. It's fries are insane.
Those rice is also what's that?
The signature deep fried. I just love that ketchup flavor. I'm not saying it's made as ketchup, but there's this like taste that almost like it tastes like ketchup on the shell. And I really miss that taste that I experienced 5 years ago when I came here from my mom's birthday. I gotta say that lobster with 𝗏𝗘𝗘𝗦 cooked in supreme soup, that was amazing quality. That was like super good. Love the 𝗏𝗘𝗘𝗦 noodles.
I think my favorite has to be the deep fried lobster because it's Hong Kong style. Normally, the Hong Kong style deep frying is normally done on shrimps or like crabs. I never really had like deep fried lobsters before, so it's a really interesting way to do it.
So let's rate it. In terms of a maximum of 180 BPM, what's your rating of this restaurant? From 0 being the worst and 180 BPM being the best.
Although there's like a small mix-up in ordering food, but like honestly, they handle it very well, very polite and nice. Serving, very good, very quick. Food is amazing, on point, definitely reminds me of home. I'll give it 178 out of 180.
Yeah, I give it a 179 BPM. Near perfect execution. That steak was just beautiful. The lobster, of course, it's such a rich profile. It's hard to give something perfect. So I think 179 beats per minute is the highest I can do it.
Yup, 178, 179, very good. Definitely recommend.
So check the link below if you want to learn more about Fishman Lobster Clubhouse.
Yeah, so it's like a mango, pomelo, and coconut. Very delicious.
Yeah, it's good.
Anything in China is strong. Like booze, cigarettes, flavors.
I don't know what they're drinking, but the wine there was like 50% alcohol. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Very strong.
Wine. Do it
You
right.
ain't about food, it doesn't look like this. So everything is swept up.
Yeah,
You gotta eat it straight like a Chinaman, like you've never had a meal before.
exactly. It's like a very common feature in like Hong Kong restaurants.
Maybe 1 or 2 tanks.
One or two times. This is a
entire wall.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us eat at Fishman Lobster Clubhouse. Amazing meal here. We're just trying to do something different here. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. What'd you think, Jack?
This is an amazing meal. Thank you so much, Fishman Lobster Clubhouse, for having us. Amazing hospitality, amazing food that can remind me of home. Remind me of home a lot. And yeah, this is us doing something different. It's us DJs. You're always seeing us doing music and stuff. I think, maybe we should try something new and show us what we do in our daily life. And we love eating.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until the next time,
Peace.
Yeah.